Hello and welcome back to John's Garage, where we are trying to convert this free Skoda Octavia into something a little more befitting of a connoisseur of motor vehicles like myself. So just premise for anyone joining in, please check back in the other videos, but essentially I got the car for free. It was a complete mess when I got it. We've cleaned it up, we've polished it up, we've done as good as I can do. I had to test it because, well, an online retailer didn't bother delivering the parts on time. It took, I think, 11 days for the stuff to get here. These are standard parts, this is ridiculous. Anyway, went into the first test. It, surprise, surprise, failed on exactly what I said it was going to fail on. So, unfortunately, nothing I could do. But great news, we're going to get working on this. Kind of. Let me explain. I got to do some explaining. So, this lovely online retailer of automobile spare parts, which apparently like to make sure that they deliver a great service, late as it may be. Well, they deliver great brake pads, which are wrong. They then delivered brake discs, which were also wrong. And, well, they're being really poor at customer service. So, yeah. Anyway, I noticed this when I was unpacking and checking everything. I was like, these are not the ones for this particular car. And, yeah, that's kind of it. Now, I did get to work on the car a little bit. Okay, I have changed the air filter, which was correct, which is great. I have also changed the driver's wiper, which was also great. And then I said I really should probably set up the camera and record some of this, which is why you're kind of joining me at this point. But yeah, I'd probably suggest to people they find another online retailer or just do what I usually do and use my local motor factors. I'm not doing this again. That was a bad idea. Anyway. The only reason I did do it was they had parts for my Renault 19 Shamad project, which I could only get from them, which arrived, and you guessed it, they're also wrong. Oh, for God's sake. Anyway, where am I going? I am going to change this wiper because, well, that's really all I can kind of do at this point. So, all you have to do with the Octavia, the Mark IV Golf, anyone familiar with these cars will know you put the wipers in your service position, you tilt it, and this is very difficult, and then you just gently slide it off, and that's it. That's the process. Very simple. Okay, so I've already ripped this open. Okay, these are the fittings. So the Valio first set of wipers comes with a couple of different fittings on them. As you can see here, there should be two more. Okay, there's the wiper, which is great. These are not the... Oh, that one actually... Which one is it? Let me think. It's this one. This is the fitting I need. Hold on, there's something missing. This just gets worse and worse and worse. So, essentially... not this one. This particular piece does not fit in here. There should be a third piece. And with the third piece, you connect it in here, you connect this on top, and then all of a sudden this should fit in there like that. And yeah. We're missing the third piece. For God's sake. So yeah, so now I can... Shit. Oh. So, kind of great news, folks. Not really for me. Yeah, filming has just not been going great with this car. Car's fine. Parts have been a disaster. And yeah, about 5 days ago, which will probably seem like 30 seconds ago to you, I hurt my back. Literally, yeah, I don't even know what I was doing. So at the time I thought I'd slipped a disc, which doesn't seem to be the case. I think it's more muscular. I've pulled something or something went into spasm. I don't know, but it literally was in agony. So yeah, I still have the wrong brake parts here, which is great. I still haven't gotten anything from Autodoc, which is great. you can figure that out. And I just put the old wiper back on earlier because, well, there was nothing else I could do. Now, given the condition of my back, my hope of doing the work myself, well, that's gone. That's out the window. I can't. I've already missed 2 days of work, and I'm just in constant pain. So what I have elected to do is I've contacted a very competent local mechanic, and I have said, listen, will you just take the car? Will you change the oil, put on the new oil filter, which I did get from Autodoc and which is correct. I've already done the air filter. I checked the spark plugs. They're fine. They don't need to be changed. They look like new. And I just said, listen, the rear brakes, whatever else is wrong, just fix it. And he did. And the car's back. The car looks like nothing is done to it, but it's back. We got 2 new rear calipers, pair new rear calipers, pair new rear discs, and we have a pair of new brake pads on new brake pads on all over the rear. So this car is going in for its retest tonight. So fingers crossed, it has to go down the lane. It has to be a visual inspection, but yeah, I think we're going to be in luck. I think this is ready to go. So much so that I decided to advertise it. Now, I didn't want to put it on a well-known retailer of automobiles, okay, where deals are done, because frankly it's ridiculously frustrating putting something like this on there. So what I have done is I have gone online to online motoring message forums or boards. Remember those things? So I've gone on to boards.ie and I've gone on to backroads.ie, and I put up a very, very kind and honest description of the car. I did actually put up an honest description of the car, but I also put up a humorous one. And essentially, I've had a couple of people interested in it. One person is on the way. They're going to have a look at it. Assuming it passes the NCT, they say they are very interested in it. So advertising it as, well, it's cost me nothing. Okay, fingers crossed this goes well. And as I said, my intention then is I'm going to roll the money over into the next car. And yeah, let's see how we go with that. So, yippee, go retest. So yeah, we'll do that tonight. Now, it's going to be dark when I'm doing that, so we'll see about filming it. Yeah. Happy days, we're almost done. This was an easy project, apart from me needing to spend any profits on physio for my back. Yeah, let's go.